If you are still struggling to find profitability with smart money concepts, then this video is for you. This is absolutely the best trading model to use in 2024. Now, there are a lot of videos out there which are causing confusion and spreading misinformation in the trading space. This can make it really hard for you guys to stick to one strategy, which will prevent you from seeing any consistency in your results. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys the correct way, the proper way to trade SMC. The way I'm going to teach you is simple. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to trade SMC properly. I'll provide you guys an A to Z full crash course on smart money concepts and a new secret which no one else in the space is sharing on how to maximize profits and increase win rate using the smart money strategy in 2024. So let's get into it. So firstly, I'd like to outline what is the problem with SMC in 2024. About 3 years ago, SMC worked like a charm. It was an absolute money glitch. Now, if you were trading around this period and you were trading SMC like I was, it was absolutely a money glitch. Every single order block would hit, every single take profit, all your trades would hit. It was absolutely insane. However, smart money has become oversaturated. This does not say it does not work. However, there is a few key things we need to implement into our markets today in order to ensure we can still keep a high win rate trading this strategy. The old methods and strategies of SMC are less profitable. Now, again, this is not to say SMC is not profitable. However, the old way, the way we would trade it 3-4 years ago, does not work in today's market. Markets are becoming harder to read. So, in order to generate the same profitability as we used to, we have to implement a few things into our market. Now, I have done you guys the favor of doing backtesting and research in order to compile everything down, and I've simplified it all to this one SMC trading model. Now, as you guys can see, I've drawn you guys diagrams here to simplify it for you guys. Now, market can move in one of two directions. Market can move bullish or market can move bearish. Now, we can also get consolidation. However, these are the two main trading directions that we want to focus on. Now, if market is moving bullish, where we are forming higher highs, higher lows, and higher lows, there is a lot of liquidity built up on either side, on this side and on this side. Either from trendline liquidity, order blocks, fair value gaps, whatever it is, on each side there is a lot of built up liquidity. Now, what market likes to do is it will manipulate this liquidity either to one side, to the downside, or to the upside. Now, market will form a new dealing range. As you guys can see in this diagram right here, this is our major high and this is our major low. Market will deal within this range and trade price within this range. As you guys can see, these are the major points of the market. So what does this mean for us? This means we can wait for a retracement back to the major high, which was formed by this low, which has been broken by this major low. Now, we want to wait for this retracement up back to our zone in order to catch the new shift within the market. Now, on the buy model, it is the exact same thing. However, it is in inverse. We want to wait for the last major high to be broken. So this is our new major high, new major low. We want to wait for market to retrace back to our major low. We want to trade off our order block right here, in which market will come and we'll trade the new structure of the market all the way back to the major high. Now, here is a step-by-step breakdown of the strategy to really simplify and make you guys understand. Step 1, wait for key level structure to be broken. Step 2, wait for market to return to major high or low, external structure. Step 3, enter off valid order block. Now, we are targeting our external high or lows, stop loss above swing high or low. Now, when I talk about external highs or lows, I'm talking about the major highs or lows. They are all basically the same things. Now, I'm going to go into the real market to show you guys these steps in action and how you can trade them effectively and implement them into your market. So let's get into it. All right, now I'm on EURUSD and we do trade this strategy only on the 15 minutes. So make sure you guys are on the 15-minute time frame. So now I'm going to break down this trade to you where I did manage to catch a 1 to 4, which will run about 55 pips. So let's get into it. So I'm going to start off by replaying the market to about here. Now, let me just delete everything off my chart. And as you guys can see, this right here is our major low. So let me just outline our major low right here. And this is our major high right here. So as you guys can see, we're going to see which one market takes first. Now, there is a lot of liquidity. As you can see, market's consolidating right here. There's a lot of liquidity built up on both sides, this side and up here. So market will want to come and manipulate either to the upside or to the downside in order to take this liquidity. Market needs liquidity to fund their big positions. In any financial market, if you want to sell, you need buyers. If you want to buy, you need sellers. So this is the whole concept of liquidity. This is the basics. So let me just play out market for you guys. Boom. You guys can see market rallied all the way down, all the way taking out this major low. Now, you guys will see we do get a pullback, leaving a beautiful, beautiful order block firstly. Right here, we do get one left right here. And we also do get one left right here, as you guys can see. Now, as this is the major high that was formed from this low right here, so we'll be trading the retracement up to here and then selling from this order block right here. So now this order block is really good. It gives me a lot of valid confluences. As you guys can see, we do get a break of structure to the downside firstly. We do get an imbalance left behind, as you guys can see right here. We do get quite a few imbalances. One is right here, as you guys can see. Market would want to come and fill this imbalance. This is where price has moved too fast, leaving an inefficiency in the market. So price needs to come back and fill this imbalance before going and returning back in its desired direction. So now if we play out market, you guys can see we do get the retracement all the way back. And we do form this high right here, which is used as more liquidity for market to take out. And if we keep playing at market, you guys can see this high is taken. We do tap into our order block, where I recommend you guys, you set your limits and enter straight off this order block. Now, stop loss above the swing high. So I place stop loss above this swing high. Some people like to place the stop loss right above the order block or right above this high. However, I believe that is way too tight. You want to give your trade a little bit of room to play out. So we're going to trade this trade all the way down to the major low. So as you guys can see, this is our major low. We will trade it all the way down here. So now, if we do play out the trade, you guys can see, beautiful trade, absolutely beautiful. As you guys can see, we do hit full take profit just like that. We did have all our confluences lined up. You see, market did slow down as we began to get that retracement. This is simply market inducing this level of supply in order to generate liquidity. As you guys can see, market is consolidating again, forming equal highs, equal lows. Now there is more liquidity on either side, which market decides to take up to the upside before selling off quickly. So in addition to this trade, I did mention earlier that there's an order block left here. As our major low right here, we do have a major high right here as well. So as you guys can see, if we do play out this trade, you could have caught this entry model from both sides. So if I did enter a long position right here, you guys can see, and swing low, which is right here. In fact, you guys can see we could trade it back to this high right here. Now if I do play out market, we do get a couple touches back on break even. However, you guys can see we do eventually hit take profit just like that. Now, on to the next example. I'm on the USD again on the 15-minute time frame. Now, I will go over it a bit quicker, just so as you guys probably have got the hang of it by now. As you guys can see, we do have plenty of liquidity on either side. We are waiting for market to take either to the downside or to the upside. As you guys can see, market confidently takes all this liquidity out to the upside. We even take out this major high, forming this major high right here. So major low, major high. We do get an order block left behind. So we simply wait for this order block to get retraced back into. As you guys can see, market does form some liquidity here, some short-term liquidity, which market does take out. So we do also get a lovely big imbalance in this candle right here, as you guys can see. So all the more confluences to take this trade. Now we do take this trade. We do hit about a 1 to 5, 30 pips, trading all the way back to the major high. It's as simple as that, guys. And another example for you guys right here. As you guys can see right here, major low, we get taken to the upside, major high. Now you guys can see market is dealing again. You can see a lot of liquidity being formed. We have market consolidating, liquidity on either side. Now we do get market take it down to the downside before taking it to the upside. So this is what market does. Market manipulates the liquidity in order to fund their positions. So we use this to our advantage to catch these positions. So we get that manipulation to the downside where we enter off our order block on the major low, where we catch that position. 1 to 11, simple as that, guys. We target our major high right here, and it's as simple as that, guys. Trading is not complicated. Trading can be this simple. Now, all these results I have showed you are in the span of about a week. So If you catch all these trades in a week, you could easily make 10, 12%, pass your prop firm challenge, get funded, whatever you need with this one simple strategy. So thank you guys so much for watching. Now, before I do end the video, make sure you guys check the Telegram, first link in the description, at Pass My Challenge, where you guys can get opportunities to get funded 100% guaranteed, as you guys can see right here. We've passed so many accounts for so many clients. All these videos you see, testimonials, happy clients, these are all people getting funded. We also have opportunities for clients to get funded. As you guys can see, we've passed the clients phase 1 FTMO account. We are doing so much for so many people, getting them funded, generating them passive results. Now, make sure you guys message me at EMS Capitals on Telegram to get involved. Thank you guys so much for watching.